Maintaining spotless floors is a difficult undertaking, particularly in high-traffic areas like the kitchen and bathroom. Robot mops are really a terrific tool to keep floors clean in between deep cleanings, just like some of the best robot vacuums. You've come to the right place if you're seeking for the ideal robot mop cleaner to keep your house spotless. So, relax as we present the top 5 robot mop cleaners for 2023. First we have in our list, the Bissell SpinWave R5 Robotic Mop and Vacuum. A powerful combination of a mop and vacuum that is designed to easily and effectively clean your home. With the Bissell Connect app, you can get advanced home mapping and navigation with 360-degree lidar technology. The spinning mop pads scrub seal hard floors to help clean messes, while the powerful vacuum suction power removes dust and debris from carpets and hard floors. The powerful lithium-ion battery lets you clean for up to 110 minutes on hard floors, which is enough time to enjoy spotless floors. Overall, if you are looking for a budget-friendly robotic mop with vacuum, the SpinWave R5 is the perfect tool for daily cleaning needs. The ILife ShineBot W450 Mopping Robot Cleaner is a powerful and efficient robotic floor cleaner designed to make cleaning hard floors easier than ever before. It is equipped with a wet scrubbing feature, a floor washing mode, and a Wi-Fi connection, allowing it to be easily controlled with voice commands via Alexa. It has an XL water tank, allowing it to keep cleaning for longer without needing to be refilled. Finally, it has a zigzag cleaning path, allowing it to cover the entire floor area in a more efficient manner. All in all, ILife W450 Mopping Robot Cleaner is a good choice if you are demanding for the powerful and efficient robot cleaner. Next up, we have the Bissell Ready Clean A3 Robotic Mop is a revolutionary product designed to make cleaning your hard floors easier and more efficient. Featuring advanced home navigation with 360-degree lidar technology, the Ready Cleaner A3 ensures an effective clean. The docking station automatically reloads clean mop pads after use. Besides, the mop pads capture dust and dirt off your floors. The reusable cloth mop pads are machine washable for easy maintenance and are safe for use on sealed hard floors. This product is designed to avoid cross-contamination. So, once an area is clean, the mop pad automatically lifts up and out of the way when headed back to the dock. The Ready Clean A3 package includes 6 reusable cloth mop pads. Last but not least, if you are searching a robot cleaner, Bissell Ready Clean A3 might be a smart choice for you. The iRobot Braava M6 Ultimate Robot Mop is a powerful, efficient cleaning robot designed to tackle your toughest messes. With advanced navigation, the robot mop can seamlessly clean large rooms, navigating around obstacles and under furniture. It uses a precision jet spray and vibrating cleaning head to break up and loosen dirt and grime, while a damp mopping cloth helps lock in dirt and debris. The robot mop is designed to work with the iRobot Home app to provide real-time cleaning updates and personalized scheduling. The mop also has a large capacity reservoir, allowing it to clean for up to 3 hours on a single fill. Equipped with advanced navigation, powerful cleaning, and an easy-to-use app, the iRobot Braava M6 is the perfect solution for keeping your home sparkling clean.
The Neato D10 Intelligent Robot Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect solution for busy households, equipped with laser smart nav.
It provides powerful navigation, allowing it to map and clean your floors more efficiently than ever. It is Wi-Fi connected, allowing you to control it via the Neato app, Alexa, or Google Assistant.
In addition, its powerful suction and 300-minute runtime make it a great choice for larger homes. With its max clean corners and PETA settings, it is designed to tackle even the toughest messes.
Its XXL dustbin ensures that you won't have to empty it after every use.
Finally, its Cleaning Zones feature allows you to customize your cleaning routine to ensure that the areas you need cleaned get the most attention.
With all these features, you can be sure that the Neato D10 will keep your floors clean and looking great. We really hope that this video was helpful in your search for the ideal robot mop cleaner in 2023. Check out the links in the video's description for further information. Happy shopping, and thanks for watching.